my friends, I made a deal with the New Republic. In exchange for the location of these bounties, I can sell any cargo you find from dead ships. Go now and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sent. Let's see what it can do. No engineers. Guess Hondo won't be getting any crates.
Shadow, press on the button.
Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, Gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Launching homing beacons now. We can only follow one. Grogu, you pick. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Endor. Good choice, kid. Make the jump to light speed. The Death Star. Where our bounties trying to hide. Pilots head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Let pilot hit the booster. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. Watch out, you'll stall the ship. There's our bounty. Follow him. They're not gonna make it. Let pilot hit the boosters. Nice one. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Great shot. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Take a jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Welcome back. Any crates?
We were a little busy, Hondo.
Of course, no problem. After all, we are splitting the bounty credits.
Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.